1. What is Azure Monitor? Azure Monitor is a full-stack monitoring service in Microsoft Azure that provides visibility into applications, infrastructure, and network. It collects metrics, logs, and telemetry from Azure resources and on-premises environments to help detect issues, analyze performance, and trigger alerts or automation. 2. What types of data does Azure Monitor collect? Azure Monitor collects metrics, numeric data describing the performance of resources. Logs, events and traces, activity logs, diagnostic logs, application logs, telemetry from application insights, requests, dependencies, exceptions. Alerts, rule-based notifications, actions. 3. What is the difference between metrics and logs in Azure Monitor? Metrics are lightweight, real-time, numerical values like CPU usage, available memory, etc. Logs are detailed records of events and traces, such as user actions, diagnostic messages, or system-generated events. Metrics are used for real-time monitoring, while logs are used for deep diagnostics and analysis. 4. What is Log Analytics in Azure Monitor? Log Analytics is a data analysis tool in Azure Monitor that helps query, analyze, and visualize log data using Custom Query Language, KQL. It's useful for investigating issues, performance tuning, and creating dashboards. 5. What is Application Insights? Application Insights is a feature of Azure Monitor focused on monitoring application performance. It tracks requests, response times, exceptions, page views for web apps, dependency calls. This helps developers understand how their app is performing and detect anomalies. 6. How do you set up Azure Monitor for a virtual machine? 1. Enable the Log Analytics agent or Azure Monitor agent on the VM. 2. Link the VM to a Log Analytics workspace. 3. Configure data collection rules for performance metrics and logs. 4. Use Insights, VM Insights for ready-made performance views. 7. What are diagnostic settings in Azure Monitor? Diagnostic settings allow you to route logs and metrics from Azure resources to Log Analytics workspace. Event Hub. Storage account. This enables long-term storage, monitoring, or integration with other services. 8. How do you create alerts in Azure Monitor? Steps. 1. Go to Azure Monitor, Alerts, plus New Alert Rule. 2. Define scope, resource. 3. Choose condition, metric log signal. 4. Set action group, email, webhook, automation. 5. Name and create the rule. Alerts notify you or trigger actions based on specific thresholds or patterns. 9. What is an action group in Azure Monitor? An action group defines what happens when an alert is triggered. It can send emails, SMS, or push notifications, call a webhook, trigger an Azure function, logic app, or automation runbook. 10. What is the difference between Azure Monitor and Azure Service Health? Azure Monitor tracks resource-level health and performance. Azure Service Health notifies about service-wide outages, maintenance, and incidents at the Microsoft Azure level. 11. How do you monitor non-Azure resources with Azure Monitor? Install the Azure Monitor Agent, AMA, or Log Analytics Agent on on-premises servers or other cloud VMs. Connect them to a Log Analytics workspace for data collection and analysis. 12. What is a Log Analytics workspace? It's a centralized storage location where collected logs and metrics from Azure resources are stored and queried. You can connect multiple resources, VMs, applications, to one workspace. 13. What is Custom Query Language, KQL? KQL is the query language used in log analytics to extract insights from log data. It's powerful and optimized for time series data, supports joins, filters, and aggregation functions. 14. Can you explain Metrics Explorer? Metrics Explorer is a visualization tool in Azure Monitor used to plot real-time metrics, create time charts, analyze performance trends. It supports filtering, aggregation, and custom time ranges. 15. What is a workbook in Azure Monitor? A workbook is a customizable dashboard for combining multiple visualizations, text, queries, and parameters to provide interactive reports using metrics and logs. 16. How do you monitor network performance in Azure? Network Watcher for topology, connection monitor, packet capture. Azure Monitor, network insights for end-to-end visibility. Monitor NSG flow logs, latency, and throughput metrics. 17. What is dependency tracking in Application Insights? Dependency tracking monitors external calls made by an application, such as SQL databases, REST APIs, storage calls. It shows the duration, failure rate, and helps identify bottlenecks. 18. What is smart detection in application insights? Smart detection automatically identifies anomalies in your app's behavior like an expected rise in failures, long response times, decreased performance. It uses machine learning models to detect issues. 19. How does Azure Monitor support automation? You can integrate alerts with logic apps, automated workflows, Azure Functions, serverless execution, automation runbooks, PowerShell graph automation. This enables autoscaling, remediation, or ticket creation. 20. What are the pricing components of Azure Monitor? You are charged based on 1. Data ingestion, GB of logs ingested into log analytics. 2. Data retention, days you keep logs beyond free tier. 3. Alerts and notifications. Application insights telemetry. There are free units per month, then pay-as-you-go pricing.